Temporary skills shortage 482 visa, you must have a relevant qualification plus at least 2 years full-time work experience. However, did you know that full-time work experience does not have to be post-qualification? It can be at any time. And in some instances, full-time work experience can be used in place of the qualification. You can check this on ANSCO. If you have a look at Chef, 3 years full-time work experience can be used in place of the qualification. Then for the 482 visa, you need 2 years full-time work experience. That work experience can be combined. So you don't need to have 3 plus 2. You can just have 3 years full-time work experience in total, and the 2 years full-time work experience requirement can be included in those 3 years. Now, it's different to the 186 direct entry visa, so I explain that in my next video. If you're lodging a partner visa in Australia, is it easier if you are married? The answer is no. I think the department views a marriage and a de facto relationship as the same. Either way, you still have to meet the requirements. All 4 aspects, which is nature of commitment, nature of household, the social aspects, and financial aspects. The states that we had the best experience with over the last financial year, coming in third would definitely be South Australia. Now, the requirements are tough. However, if you meet the published requirements, you would definitely get an invitation. There's no second guessing. As long as you meet the published requirements, you will get an invitation. And also, you didn't need extremely high points. Coming in second, surprisingly, would be New South Wales. I know at the beginning it was tough. They had the experience and also the points requirement. But after that was removed, we had a lot of clients get invited. The points weren't extremely high either. So chefs were being invited at 70 points, marketing specialists being invited at 85 points. Lastly, it would have to have been Victoria. Now, it is competitive because there's lots of applicants, but there's also a lot of nomination places. However, not everyone who meets the published requirements got invited, but overall, I think the number of clients who got invited was better than other states. What does it mean when you get a Section 57 notice from the Department of Immigration? Now, this is the Section 57, not Section 56. Section 56 is when they're just requesting for further information. Section 57 is a natural justice letter. What this means is they've found something unfavorable in your visa application, and it can result in a refusal, but they're giving you a chance to explain yourself. We had a client come in and see us who got a Section 57 natural justice letter. They had submitted some work experience on their visa application and also submitted some work experience on their Form 80, but it wasn't matching up to previous information that they had declared to the department. Now, in situations like this, you could be refused under PIC 4020 for providing false and misleading information. We listed a table of all the work experience, provided a submission, and cited case law explaining that the applicant had no intention of hiding this information from the department. But if this happens to you or anyone you know, definitely seek the right legal or migration advice immediately.